Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind scrappywife.com. It's been a while since I have received a scrapbooking subscription, but I just started a new one. Let's go. All right, like I said, it has been a while since I have received a subscription kit, which would be a monthly subscription kit of all kinds of crafty things. I've done Felicity Jane, I have done Hip Kit Club, I've done a few different ones. And this time around, I'm trying out Scrapbooking Coach. Scrapbooking Coach reached out to me to see if I wanted to check out their kits. I went and checked out their website, tried to see what was involved with kits, and you guys, you get so much more than just the product, and I'm super excited to share all of that with you. So if you want to check out an unboxing of my very first scrapbookingcoach.com at-home kit, let's do it. All right, so here is the kit. First of all, look at this box, you guys. I know we're at the age where a box is just super cool, but it has this like magnetic closing, which is really, really neat. It's a sturdy box, so it's definitely one that you can reuse to hold supplies and hold projects. And you receive it every month. So how it works is their kit for the month is only available that particular month. So this is actually the August kit for scrapbookingcoach.com. If you sign up in August, I do think you get the August kit, but if you're watching a little bit later in September, there will be a new kit. Yes, they do share sneaks of what the kit will be. You'll want to check out Scrapbooking Coach on like social media and all of that business. But let's check out what is in the kit. It says, thank you for your order. So there's all kinds of instructional videos, which I think is awesome. They don't just send you the supplies, but you can log on to their website and find instructional videos. There is a Facebook group for anyone that's a monthly subscriber, so you can get tips and tricks and share projects, which is awesome. There's a monthly Zoom crop along with the owner, Anna, which is really cool, like an opportunity to connect with others. They'll have a few lives during that. There's just a lot going on, so it's certainly a good chance to check it all out. But of course, something we're super excited about is the product. So let's just dive in. I haven't checked this out in advance, and I'm excited to kind of see what we have. So you start out with design guide. This month's kit is called Tea Times. So it has like a whole tea theme, which I think is adorable. It talks about your supplies, where you can find the tutorials, tea time page. It gives you some examples. Oh, I love this. How cute. Oh, it shows you all these different examples of things you could put together. How fun is that? Oh, look at that cake. That's adorable. So how cool is that? So you get some fabulous ideas. It even shows how you can do your cards. It shows you how to do the whole thing, which is really awesome. Of course, you don't have to create those pages, especially I am not necessarily a traditional scrapbooker, so I will be using these inspirations and using them in other ways in many of my projects, but I love that they include that. I think that is super fun. So you get the design guide. We have a stamp set. Let me see if I can use this right here to show you. We have a stamp set. So you have your tea right here. Love the tag. That is super cute. Your little tea bag. Details, fabulous. A quote right here. And then this gorgeous teapot. That's so fun. What a fun theme. We have some brads here, which can be really fun in like a memory decks card and a little mini album. I think that is fun. Nice gold brad. It's really bold right there. Let's see. These, I believe, are some tissue. Let me see here. This is going to be some tissue paper, vellum type stuff. Let's check. Oh my goodness. Some gorgeous. Okay, this is like some foiling. So, this is like gold foil, bronzy gold leaf. Okay, that's going to be fun to play with. Let me just double check and see. Oh, it doesn't list out the different supplies in here. So this is just the gold leaf foil. And again, if you don't know how to use it, there's tutorials online. So you're getting to try, for me, this will be like a new product that I haven't gotten the chance to use yet. And so it's cool that I can try something new, which is kind of the fun thing about subscription kits. At times, you want to pick a company that is going to inspire you. So of course you want to like their aesthetic and all of that. But at times you're going to get supplies that are like out of the norm for you, which can be so much fun if you're willing to try new things. I'm going to try to put this to the side. I don't want to mess up any of my gold leaf here. And actually this is kind of a coppery leaf look. So let's put this off to the side. Don't want to mess that up. What else do we have? These are some tags, I believe. Yep, some different tags. Let's open this up and just check it out. See if they're all the same color. I think that they are. Yeah, all of these yellow tags, those are cute. Some die cuts already ready to go. A little bit of string for adding texture. That is fun. You have the alphas. Love this. Now, I do wish it came with more alphas. So you only get one letter of each one, which, I mean, a lot of times that's hard to spell, some different titles. But the cool thing is, in the book, they give you, maybe there's more in here. It looks like they normally send 3 sheets. Maybe this one is just 1 sheet this time. It'd be nice, like 3 sheets would be really helpful because then, yeah, I think normally it comes with 3 sheets. Mine just might not be in here just because of how they packaged it. So I think normally get more sheets, which is helpful because, I mean, it's hard to spell out words with just this amount right here. But that's cool. I love that they send you the alpha. Look at the stencil. Look at this stencil. So beautiful for some mixed media background. That's going to be awesome. And then of course you get the papers, which is what we're all so excited about, I am sure. So let me just move this out of the way, move some of these pieces. All right, let's see. Let me open up this paper and then we will flip through it. All right, it looks like the paper is all double-sided. You get a couple of different, or a couple of sheets of each design, which I love. Look at this. I'm going to turn this. How beautiful are these florals with the little mixed media edge? That is super cute. Nice and neutral here on the back, which I love. Yep, love those. That one's, oh, look at the tea time. That is adorable. I love how that like goes up the side. Super pretty. It definitely has a mixed media feel. I like the bright colors. I'm here for that. Oh, I like this. It looks like a book. This is giving me all of the junk journal vibes, and I'm here for it. Oh, I think that's adorable. Oh my gosh, I love it. Move this to the side. Oh, that's pretty, like a purple gingham. Oh, you're gonna love, you guys, you're gonna love the back of this. Look at, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, I think it's so gorgeous. I love the mixed media feel. I think it is awesome. Now we have this like yellow gingham, and then on the back we have our teapots. So cute. It'd be fun to trim some of those out for sure. And then our pink polka dots. And we have our little chef, our baker on the back with the tea cakes. That is so fun. So you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pieces double-sided, and I love that you get 2 of each because then you don't have to choose. You're able to, you know, use both sides, which is awesome. 12 pieces of paper. You get the alpha stickers. I do believe you get more. I think mine was just missing one. You get stamps, some extra little like goodies right here, a few pieces of ephemera, these tags that will go really nicely, the stencil, and a fun extra goodie this time around. I think this probably changes up. I'm guessing you don't receive the foiling each and every time. That's a little tricky to get in and out of there. But I think that's a fun little, like, I don't know, addition so that you can try some new things, see if you might like it. And of course the design guide, which is kind of what I think sets Scrapbooking Coach apart. So lots of companies will send you supplies, but the ability to like see your design guide right in front of you and get inspiration from these different layouts to find videos and things like that, I think that's amazing. So I'm super excited to work with Scrapbooking Coach a little bit. I'm super excited to dive into these supplies. All right, here's the other cool thing about scrapbookingcoach.com. So the kit runs just under $30 plus shipping and handling each month, but you don't have to sign a long-term contract. You can try it for a month and see how it goes, and you can cancel at any time. You just need to give them 2 weeks notice before your build again, so they don't overbuy supplies and things like that. But I love that you're not locked into like 6 months or 3 months or a year. You can kind of come and go, which is awesome. And I'm so excited to try some of these papers. This is some nice cardstock. It feels pretty good. It's not too thick, which I think is great because sometimes it gets too thick and it's almost hard to work with. But I'm excited to try out these supplies. You will definitely be seeing them make an appearance on my channel. I will link scrapbookingcoach.com down below. Heads up, that is an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you any more, but it does go a long way to helping this channel. So if you want to go check them out, it would be really helpful if you clicked that link to let them know that you came after watching this video. All right, something else that I want to share with you really fast are these amazing books that the Scrapbooking Coach sent me. These are awesome. So you might be thinking, I don't do normal 12 by 12 scrapbooking. Why would I need inspiration books? These are volumes 1, 2, and 3 of their scrapbooking sketches. And let me tell you, these are great inspiration and kickoff for other projects. You can work these into cards. You can work these even into your planner, simply just like flipping through and seeing fun ideas like that. Can you totally see that in a planner with each of these being like circle stickers to where you can write in your plans? I just find things like this very inspirational. People ask me all the time, because I create so much content, where do I get all of the inspiration? Well, sometimes it comes to me, but sometimes I have to look around for a little bit of inspiration. And now that I have these books in here, oh, look at this one. That's super cool. I love just the idea, just some different layouts that might trigger some cool thoughts for you. I'm here for that. Look at that. So cool. All right. So, and I love that there's not like a gajillion words. It's just the layouts, you guys, so that you can play with it. You can flip through and be inspired. So you have volume 1, scrapbook sketches. Volume 2 is double page scrapbook sketches, which this might work really well as far as like thinking of some planner layout, just some things to kind of change it up, or in your faith journaling and in all the things you do, like you might watch me for. These are some great ideas of ways to arrange just elements on the page. Just because it says photo doesn't mean it has to be photo. That could be a journaling situation. There's all kinds of ways you can use this. I'm super excited. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's cool. So that one's volume 3. This is volume 2, scrapbook sketches. So kind of the same, but just takes it up another notch. These are just fabulous to have in your creative space to reference for different projects. I'm super excited, and you'll definitely see these making an appearance, and I'll show you how I use them in some different types of projects coming up on my channel. So again, a huge thank you to scrapbookingcoach.com for sending me these goodies. Go check them out. Go see what you think of some of the kits, some of the inspiration that you can find over on that website. I don't think you will be disappointed, and I cannot wait to share more projects using these goodies coming up. Don't forget, I do have an affiliate link down in the description box. It helps me out so much when you're able to click those links, so be sure to check that out. I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you all so much for all of your support. You are just the absolute best. And I hope that all of you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.